Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Steam on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can download Steam. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Steam download. And the first link which will appear here will be from steampowered.com. So just click on the first link. And once you are inside steampowered.com website, straight away you will be able to see install Steam green button at the top. So I'm going to just click on this install Steam button, and then you will be able to see this window. I'm going to put the link of this window in the description of this video also, so you can directly come to this window. Here you will be able to see this install Steam button for Windows. So just click on this option, which is going to start the download of this steam setup.exe file. This exe file is not very big, so it will be downloaded really fast. And once this exe file is downloaded, you just need to click on this file, and let me minimize my browser here. And then first of all, click on yes here, which is going to start the Steam setup. So on the first window, you just need to click on next and then choose your language in which you want to install Steam. I will leave it as English, which is default, and then click on next. And this will be the location where Steam will be installed. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on install, which is going to start the installation process of Steam. You can see Steam is installed and the shortcut for Steam software is created on my desktop, and here I can see completing Steam setup. So just leave this run Steam checkbox checked and click on finish, which is going to launch Steam on your Windows operating system. Now at this point you will see that Steam is going to download all the updates. So just wait for some time until all those updates are downloaded. And once the updates are installed, you will be able to see this kind of window. Now, in order to use Steam, you need to have Steam account. So if you don't already have a Steam account, you can create one easily using this button which says create new account. If you already have existing Steam account, you can log in with your existing account. So I already have a Steam account, so I will just log in with my existing account. So I'm going to click on this option. So now I have provided my username and password. So I'm going to just click on login. And once you are logged in, Steam is going to update some more settings. And once the login is successful, you will be able to see these two windows. So the first window is for your friends, where you can see who is online or offline, and you can do the group chats from here. And on the second window, you can install games and play games, right? So in here, you will be able to see the store from where you can purchase games or download game for free. And you also have the library where you can see your collections, and you will be able to see your downloads here. Okay, so now you can start using Steam on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.